everybody, this is Nora and welcome back. Video is going to be more of a follow-up on Beauty Big Bang's brand new metallic polishes. I will tell you, so after I published my review video, they saw my video and they saw what I had kind of discovered on the application of the polish, how it doesn't come with a base paired up with it to use with it, and I tried different base polishes and I felt that the best application for me to see the ultimate or the ideal finish with them was by using nothing on my nails, just putting that on my bare nails. And the reason I had these two polishes here is because they suggested, they knew I had tested these. These are from their website as well, and this brand, this is it's Cranny. Now, so these are metallic polishes. They do come in different colors, and I did a review on this one, and it's beautiful. Goes on nice and smooth, but it comes with its own base. Okay, it comes it's a pair. It's a couple. So this is how they come in this base. If you notice, it does have somewhat of a cloudy look to it through the clear glass. It does have a cloudy look, the base itself. And this is what I use for when I tested the purple polish. Now she asked me if I had tried it with this, and I did not. I just was not thinking of it at the time. So that's what I'm going to test here for you, because ideally, yes, we want to have a nice base, and for those, not all of us happen to be fortunate enough to have nice smooth nails. Also, I believe it helps very much with the longevity of the polish. And then I did actually give it a test already, and I told them my results, which is why I want to share with you. And I was actually able to top coat it. After application, I used my Sedge Feet to top coat this polish, and it did really nice. You'll see, you couldn't even tell the difference. Now, while these metallic polishes dry fairly quickly because they are metallics, this base coat, it does take a long time to dry, so you really do have to give it its time, let it dry, be patient with it before applying your metallic polish. So that's what that's what you're going to see me give a test here. I am going to apply this, let me go and take this out to the side. Apply this to my nails, and I am going to give it a good 10 minutes and show you the application on it. Now I do want you to see on my thumbnail here, I've had my yellow stopper for several days. I mean, this has more than had enough time to dry. This is not a fresh application. I've had this for a few days now, and I want you to see what happens when I apply this metallic polish to it. And right there you can see, you saw what happened. I mean, I don't understand it. And I hardly did any strokes. I did 1, 2, 3 strokes. Center, side, and side. And you see how it just ate it right up. I don't know why it does that. So yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you guys, that this is what's happened. That's what I don't get it. But let me go ahead and apply this to my other 4 nails here, and then I'm gonna give it a good 10 minutes to dry and wait after that and make sure that it's completely dry before applying the metallic polish. And something else that I want to try, let me go ahead, I went ahead and removed the polish from my thumbnail. I am going to try to use yes, this easy peel off base coat. I am going to try to use this as a base coat for that metallic polish and see what happens. Okay, so my nails have had plenty of time to dry there, as I feel it. I leave no fingerprint whatsoever in any of them. And my thumb, remember, it has the unt and it's dried now. So this one has, these 4 nails have the cranny base coat for the metallic polish. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shake. Give this a try. Now let's see what happens on my thumbnail, and this is the one that has the unt base coat. See the difference, guys? Take a look. I'm going this over and over and over, and it's not dragging or pulling the base. Did you see that? How nice is that? Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and try a second coat on these. Alright guys, so this is after I did the little bit of cleanup that I needed to do, and take a look, take a look. Nice. My thumbnail too. So I am happy to have found that these 2 base coats work really well. Thank you Lisa from Beauty Big Bang for recommending me looking into this and giving this cranny base coat a try for these nails or these metallic polishes. And you know what guys, I think, do you notice something in common between these 2? See that cloud look? This must be a water base coat. I've never tried it as a top coat over my foils. I think I will give this a try over foils and see what it does. And also another thing that prompted me to try the unt was because upon removal of this, the polish, after using this, I noticed it had like a rubber, like a rubbery feel to it when I was removing it. And if you guys have attempted to use nail polish remover or acetone, I'm always working with acetone, on removing this unt, it's almost like it's hard. It's almost impossible. It is meant to be peeled off, or whatever I have left on my nails after using this. I use a buffer, a very fine buffer to buff off, because it's almost like a glue, right? So I was feeling the same thing with this, and that's what prompted me. It's like, let's try the unt as a base and see how it does. And it did really well. So now I'm almost having a feeling that maybe if you have a water-based top coat or base coat that could be used for these metallics, and they will do well. Because yeah, take a look. I do see that they have that common denominator there with how they have that cloud look to them. And so I'm going to, now I do have a brand new Sage Feed top coat here, and I am going to apply that to my first 2 fingers and see if it has any change on the polish at all. Okay guys, so here's something interesting. Take a look at my middle nail. I don't know why I had that problem there with the top coat, but no problem on my index nail. Okay, so there seems somewhat of a gamble there. I'm not sure why. Maybe I went down too hard with the bristles. I'm not sure. But if in any case, I know I will definitely use my unt probably as a top coat, and then apply the Sage Feed for a nice glossy finish. Let's try that. I'm going to let those dry. As you guys know, I know this unt, both of those base coats, they take forever to dry. But I'm going to go straight to my thumbnail with the Sage Feed. Let's give this another try. Alright, so you guys are not going to believe this, but the time that I've been sitting here after waiting for my thumb, take a look at my middle nail. Those wrinkles went away. How cool is that? Okay, so again, something even more mysterious. Okay, so it looks like you should be able to go straight with your Stitch Feed top coat for these nails. And my thumbs, so far so good. So yeah, because I know these, I still am waiting for that on base to dry, but who has time for that, right? Yes, I much prefer to go straight with my Stitch Feed as top coat on the nails as I did on these. I like that. All right, so like I said, I do want to thank Beauty BigBang for suggesting me using these. And now what I'm going to do, guys, yes, because I'm sure you're curious as to how long, how long these are going to last before they chip or anything. You know, all that varies on so many things. If I tell you I can go 10 days with it, 3 days, it's going to vary from person to person. You know, your daily life, what you do with your hands, how you protect them, etc. Nonetheless, I think I'm going to go ahead and give them a try here on my right hand, since I normally don't change them as often as my left hand, and give them a go and see if I can go at least 3 days before I prematurely decide to change them on my own. But if I could at least go more than 2 nights without this metallic chipping, now that it's protected with a nice base coat and top coat, I think we'll be good. So I guess that is it. So if you guys have any questions about this, trying these again, put them down below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Update on the day after. I wanted to come back here, guys, and let you see the wear on my right hand nails on this, and this is, remember, with the base coat and Stitch Feed top coat, and you can see the wear on my tips, right on the very edge of my tips. I have some chipping or some wear of the polish right there, and keep in mind this is my right hand, it does all the work. My thumb it's done much better, but I do still have some gel overlay left over on that. And this right here is from my thumbnail. Remember where I had the aunt as a base? Yeah, it peeled off. So even though it works well as a base for the polish, for the metallic, on giving it a nice finished look, it's not ideal. I mean, it's because it's a peel off base coat. It's going to, this was only overnight. Now these nails right here, I'm trying not to show you much of the art. I did some nail art on this that I will have a video later on. The tips have done much better, and I am going to say it's because of the multiple top coats that I have on these nails, because of the fact that I did art on them. Okay, so yes, they did much better. And so this is the night after. Now I do have some good news as far as Beauty BigBang. They did get back with me, and they're gonna come up with a base coat for this metallic polish. So yeah, that is good news. So thank you guys for sticking with me for this long. I hope you guys, I mean, this is all informative and to help you guys on making decisions or purchasing products and how to use them, etc. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I thank you for watching.